to go. I'll miss you a lot, Janet. Thanks for being such an amazing friend. Rest in peace.
And,
well, wasn't that sweet? Well, now we have time for some prayers, and then we have to close the coffin. You guys may now come up and pray. Well,
wait, please.
okay, say a quick prayer. Close the coffin.
Dun, dun, dun.